Welcome back to the channel. Yes, here we have another Corvette C8. This is actually Corvette number 49 for us here at the shop. So with that being said, we do know a thing or two about wrapping these vehicles. So stay tuned as we take a deep dive into how we protect and wrap C8 Corvettes. All right, so the Corvette is in our paint protection film bay. It has been prepped. So the way that we start the protective packages would be wheels are cleaned, they're decontaminated, the wheels are thoroughly cleaned. The whole vehicle gets washed. So at first we apply some decon soap, let it sit, do its thing, rinse the whole vehicle off. And then it was foamed down one more time and we performed a contact wash on it, gave it another rinse. Then we sprayed the vehicle down, or the front end down, with Iron X. Since this vehicle is only getting a full front end, we let the Iron X do its thing. And at this point, we actually found that claying is perfectly fine with the specific Iron X that we were using. Gets all the contamination off and essentially exfoliates the paint, pulling all the dirt and grime off. We were then left with some of the tar that would not come off during this stage. So we did use a tar remover to help strip some of that down. And then the marks that would not even come out at that point, we did end up polishing very, very lightly. And that got us to this stage. After the vehicle's done, prepped, it is completely clean and free of any type of contamination. So we are now gonna examine the paint. We're gonna see if there's any damage on the finish. And then we're gonna assess those, get those spots corrected, and hopefully this gives you enough insight of understanding what questions to ask specific, people that will be working on your C8 Corvettes. All right, so let's talk about paint protection film. So paint protection film is designed to protect your factory paint or paint in general from getting torn up, beat up, damaged, and essentially not looking pretty. Can paint protection film be damaged? That is 100%. Paint protection film will take the abuse. It will get damaged and it will get nicked. Now the advantage is that paint protection film, it is much more durable than your factory paint. So it absorbs the impacts much, much better. And on the flip side, when your paint protection film does get damaged, it can simply be removed and reinstalled back to your panels. So let's take a closer look at the Z06. We don't know 100% the history of this vehicle, if the customer had bought it used or if he got it new, but with that out of the way, we can clearly see that this vehicle already has some decent amount of pre-existing damage. So perfect time to show you what potentially can happen to your vehicle, to your C8, without having any type of paint protection film on there. So as you can see, from our understanding is this vehicle sees the racetrack. It goes to Summit Point, it goes to VAR, tracks around here in the area. And first off, what we noticed right away is all of the sandblasting. So you can see nicks, chips, and sandblasting. Things like this, they cannot be fixed or repaired before we apply paint protection film. It's just, there's too much damage, it's too far gone. We can't go in and simply cut or sand or polish all of this out because it's too far gone. Especially if you look right over here, but you see all of this, that is all torn up. But you can clearly see just sandblasting coming all the way through. Now somebody might say, well, you know what, why would I spend maybe $2,500 on doing a full front end wrap when I can go to the body shop and just get it simply painted? Have you ever called a body shop and just asked them how much it costs to repaint a front end of a C8 Corvette? I can guarantee you, it is not $2,500. And you're never gonna get the same quality as you do at the factory. So, you essentially would have to repaint the hood, you'd have to repaint the bumper, everything have to be torn apart, disassembled, stripped completely down. This would have to come off the vehicle. The headlights would have to come off. There's so much more work that you would have to do just to get the front end painted. I can guarantee you a full front end will cost you north of $5,000 just to respray the front end. Why not buy paint protection film out of the get-go, right? You can get paint protection film, forget about it, enjoy the vehicle, and maybe in 5 years rip the film off, even though it has a 10-year warranty. When it starts to look bad, and just redo it that way. That's so much more simpler. Same thing with the windshield here. As you can see the windshield here, but there is a decent amount of sandblasting and chipping. I can only imagine when you're driving the vehicle and the sunlight hits it in just the right angle, you'll see all the sandblasting. Now, that can 100% happen, and it will happen if you put windshield skin. But it's much easier for the price of just $500, essentially what we charge here at the shop, to rip that film off maybe once a year or after a season, put a new piece of film on, and not even worry about going through the headache of changing out a whole windshield. Now let's talk about the final piece, and my favorite part is the headlights. So you can repair a front end, right? You can take it to your buddy after you've spent over $100,000 on your Corvette Z06, and because you're nickel and diming and you're trying to save as much as you can just to get your front end repainted. Okay, great, got it. But now what you're left with is these bad boys. So headlights. So these headlights, what are you gonna do with headlights like this? There's not much that you can do at all, actually. You can try to sand them down, and you can try to polish them out and repair them, but you can't. You are stuck with damage like that. All of these nicks, which these could have been prevented. They could have been prevented if you would have just had paint protection film on your headlights. Again, after a few years, if you still keep the vehicle, you can simply remove the film, and you have essentially brand new lenses that you don't even have to worry about. It saves you a lot of money, saves you a lot of headache, and it just looks so much better. So in theory, here's where my mind goes, right? Let's say you bought a vehicle like this. You've enjoyed it for 3 to 4 years. Now you decide to sell it. What do? Let's say you've done your front end and you've wrapped your rocker panels, which that is considered a high impact area. You go in, you hire us, or you hire a similar shop, you pay them about $200 to $250. That's what we would charge, especially if we installed it, we know it's our work. Simply heat up the film and strip everything off. Your car is gonna look brand new. Now, how much do you think you're gonna sell that vehicle for? Top dollar? 100%. I think anybody that's gonna be looking for a vehicle like this, they will see you have perfect paint. They will be happy to pay top dollar compared to anything else that is on the market. So yes, your ownership experience becomes much better. You've preserved the original finish of the car itself. And then when it comes to resale value, which people will say, oh, it doesn't matter. No, it does matter. It matters a lot. You will get top dollar for your vehicles. Now you're wondering why. Why in the world is this customer protecting his vehicle after seeing so much damage? Because he plans on keeping the car for at least a couple more years. It's gonna see tons and tons of track miles and track days. So he does not want it to get completely destroyed while it's out there and while he is enjoying the vehicle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the video off here. I'm gonna jump in. We're gonna go in depth of showing you how we extend the edges, get everything ready for and plot out the film so we can do a full front end paint protection film wrap on this nose of a Corvette. All right, so where are we at right now? We are wrapping the hood, fenders, the mirrors are done. We're about to jump on the bumper. So this is what I wanted to say, where we come in and modify the patterns. So as you can see right over here, do you see that little flap right over there? So that right there, that actually is all modified. So if you go into your standard patterns, many patterns, pretty much all of them will stop right here from the edge. So you will have a tight, slight edge exposed coming all the way around, coming all the way through. But what we have done is, since we've done so many of these Corvettes, we went ahead and extended that edge so that way we get nice wrapped rolled edges. That way you don't see the film. Same thing over here. The pattern is modified, as you can see, so that once this dries up a little bit more, so this is where time comes in. It takes a little bit of time, a little bit of patience. We're gonna trim that, lay it in as well. This is pretty common. This is very standard. Many shops, if you're not wrapping these edges here, or the edges are all around the wheel wells, then you should not be in business, because that's really pathetic. Does not make sense why you wouldn't even wrap it. It's so easy, it comes standard. So this edge is wrapped, and then if you come right over here, I'm just talking a little bit more about the fender since that's done. This is all rolled coming through. This is all extended and tucked under the mudguard here. Obviously your edges are fully rolled there as well. The top is fully rolled too. We might be able to get some video footage once the car is a little bit lower, but that's all wrapped, so there's no exposed edges here at all. Everything's fully rolled. We didn't even have to trim anything there because we have dialed the patterns in so nicely that we know exactly how much to modify it, that it rolls right over the edge and it'll lock. And finally, right over here, as you can see, that edge is still, that flap is still there. We're gonna wait for that to cure out just a little bit more, then give it a nice little trim. Looks like it tucked right in here very nicely. These are always a hit or miss. Sometimes there's a little bit of a bigger gap. Sometimes it's super tight, to the point that we have seen on these Corvettes where paint will, from the factory, by the time it gets torsion up, it starts to crack and flake right in that area, along with areas here where the headlight is jammed up right into that corner very tightly, and same thing here. So it's just a hit or miss with these vehicles. That's just the reality. That is the, you know, the reality of these types of cars. But with that being said, we're gonna roll into the front bumper. That gnarly chip that was over here, what I have done is we sanded it down first, then I polished it, went ahead and started layering on the paint. I'm gonna sand it down again with some 2500 grit, then go ahead and polish it out some more, smooth it out. The color is not gonna match perfectly because it is metallic paint. You can never match it. That's just the reality of it. That's another reason. Apply film to your cars. Just you think, oh, you know, we can just throw on touch of paint later down the road and move on, but that's not the case. The paint is not going to match. That's just the truth. So we're gonna keep rolling with the front bumper. Get yourself some grill guards. Get yourself some guards, because you can see that radiator, it is getting completely destroyed. Pick up some grill guards and we can install them for you. We've done a few of these already, so a little bit of a plug there. But yeah, let's continue rolling on with the vehicle. And if you're interested and you have any questions, feel free to leave that in the comments down below. Shoot us an email. This is a little bit of a different style video, but I hope it's very informative for you. All right, so now that the vehicle is all done, just want to point out a couple things to you guys. I hope this video is very helpful in understanding what paint protection film does and how it works on your Corvette C8. So the whole entire vehicle is wrapped, well, the full front end is wrapped along with the mirrors, but obviously your chips like that, they are going to be visible. Certain smaller chips, the paint protection film actually masks them to some degree, so they become a little bit less visible. But as you can see, all of those issues that you're seeing, that is sandblasting, well, very heavy chipping from the track essentially. So if you would have had paint protection film installed on this headlight, then you wouldn't have to deal with that issue. And we went on eBay and we actually found used headlights for this vehicle specifically to run about $2,000. And again, that's used. So you have no idea if it's got sandblasting already in it, if it's got any chips in it. So you're pretty much, you know, you're kind of stuck. So while your vehicle's new, definitely apply some paint protection film. Do your windshield if you plan on driving it on back roads, the track. Yes, you will have to replace it, you know, about every 12 months or so, but much more simpler to replace film than replacing a whole windshield. The badge was removed. We do that on every single Corvette that comes in. Let's say we're doing the whole entire vehicle wrap. The front one comes off, the back one, the side badges come off, then everything is reinstalled back. We have templates that we have created ourselves to match factory placement. And that's pretty much it. So you know, this vehicle is going to be ready for the track. At least it's protected now from getting any more terrible damage. And that's all I got for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below and make sure you check out our merch store, because if you're a big fan of Corvettes, C8s, Z06s, well, we do have a shirt just for you. Comes in a few different colors, so make sure you pick up yours today. Helps us out a lot, and keeps us motivated. So thank you very much. I hope you have a great holiday season. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll see you maybe next Friday, but if not, then it'll be in the new year. Take care.